The Ninja Detect Kitchen System Power Blender and Processor Pro with BlendSense technology is so versatile. As a chef and cookbook author, I live in the kitchen. I'm always looking for products that can help me make the highest quality dishes, and this power blender and processor is my new best friend in the kitchen. Something that's very unique about the product is the BlendSense technology. I've never seen that in a product before. The food processor attachment can do everything from yeasted doughs to dips, and it can even chop and slice and grate. The blender actively adjusts time and speed based on the amount of ingredients added to either single serve or full-size pitchers to get the perfect result. The ice detection crushes ice to snow for the perfect texture for smooth frozen desserts, smoothies, and cocktails. This power blender is Ninja's most intelligent blender.